Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy. So I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful pate. Let's go ahead and get straight to the recipe. Listen, if you're Haitian, you know any Haitian, Pate Kode is literally everyone's favorite. Some of us like the baked one, but the fried one is just, oh my god. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so I am using 3 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. And with that, we need 2 cups of cold water, not frozen, freezing cold water, just cold water, and a tablespoon of salt in that water. We're gonna go ahead and add the water to that and form a nice dough, a very nice, beautiful dough. Okay, because we're making fried pate. Pate Kode, that's what they call it, Pate Kode. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. The flaky one is good, but this is just, oh lord, this is breakfast back home. It's snack, it's everything. Okay, I love me some Pate Kode. Oh my god, like I've been craving this and I just had to make it. So there's so many ways to make it, but I'm showing you another way I make it. I have another recipe on my channel if you want to check that out too, but this is another way I'm making it. So once you see, you form that dough. So I used almost the whole water, all of the water, but not exactly. So go ahead and form that dough and let it sit. So the filling for that pate is gonna be chicken. So here's my chicken. It's well seasoned and cooked. So we're gonna go ahead and just remove it from the bones. Okay, if you don't want to use chicken, you can use ground beef. You can use hot dog and eggs, because hot dog and eggs is my favorite, honestly. Hot dog, eggs, and saw herring, smoked herring is my favorite, but we're gonna do chicken this time. So here's my chicken. We're gonna go ahead and remove it from the bones and make it cut it into smaller pieces. So my dough is over there just chilling for a little bit. And then for the filling with the chicken, along with the chicken, I'm also gonna use this small pickles that I have left over. I will list a link pickles for my, oh my god, I can't even speak. Oh my god, I will link a recipe for my pickles in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. This is a little bit of pickles with some orange bell peppers, because that's what I had, and some onions. Not a lot of pickles, just a little bit of pickles, and then peppers and onion. So if you have red bell peppers, use that, because I only had orange, so orange it is. So this is what we're gonna do now. So we're gonna roll the dough. We're gonna knead it a little bit more, and then after that, we're gonna knead it with some vegetable oil. Okay, see how beautiful it is? So nice, so soft. Oh, it looks good. So we're gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil to that dough, and we're gonna knead it for like a couple of minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and start forming the pate. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to it and go ahead and knead it a little bit. It's gonna be a little messy. Make sure your countertop is cleaned, okay? Make sure it's washed, clean, and dry. So you don't need flour on top of it. No flour is needed because we're using oil for it. No need for flour. So after that, first you add a tablespoon, and then now we're gonna go ahead and add another tablespoon of it. You need it once. So now go ahead and add another tablespoon of vegetable oil, just like so. Like I said, it will be a little bit messy, not so messy, just like real greasy. Okay, so go ahead and set it aside, and now we're gonna go ahead and start forming our pate. Take a piece and we're gonna roll it, make it flat. You don't necessarily have to roll it, honestly. It's just easier, and it's also better. Honestly, it is better. I'm not much of a baker, so I don't really know. Yeah, so yeah, go ahead, roll it. It's probably better. So go ahead and roll that, and then we're gonna go ahead and add the filling to it. So we're gonna add the chicken and the pickly stuff, the stuffing stuff, and stuff it up, and then we're gonna fry that. Okay, it looks really good, guys. The kneading, the flour, it looks really nice. Okay, so go ahead, add your fillings. Use whatever filling you like. Honestly, I just wanted to do chicken for once because whatever. But my favorite, like I said before, it's boiled eggs, hot dog, and smoked herring. You guys, that is just the way to my heart. Okay, so go ahead and fold the corners. If you want, you can cut the corners with a knife, make it look cute. And go ahead and make more pate like that, and then that's it, you guys. It's such an easy thing to make, honestly. So easy, so easy. And then go ahead and fry them, and that's it. This is like one of the easiest recipes, right? Because see, this is why I love pate kode. It's so easy, anyone can make it. The baked patties though, it's science. I don't like it. It's just too much. I've tried to make it too many times. It comes out good, but it's just not. I'm such a perfectionist, honestly. It's just not like how I imagine it in my head, like I really want it to come out. It always come out not as slick as I want it to come out. So yeah, it just takes too much science and too much. Anyways, so now go ahead and fry your pate. We're frying with canola oil or vegetable oil, whatever oil that you have. Just don't fry with olive oil because olive oil is not a frying oil. All right now. Yes, and once your oil is hot, 350 degrees, and go ahead and drop your pate nicely in that oil. Wow, beautiful. And when it starts to get some color, you're gonna go ahead and start flipping it, switching its sides. You guys, it's looking so bomb. Yes, just flip it. And this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a hole in the middle, okay, so the inside of the dough could actually the pate could actually be cooked, you know. That's like something we do, like I watch them do that. Oh my god, this is one of the best things. Growing up in Haiti, I would never trade that for anything. Because when you're going home to school, you pass by and then you buy that stuff from the school. Well, outside of the school, there's usually a machin pate selling it outside of the school, so you would just buy it from them and you watch them make it in front of you, and you see them poking the hole in the pate while it's frying. Oh, it's amazing. I miss those days. I want to go back to Haiti at the age of 10 or like 11, honestly. Anyways, continue frying your pate, frying the remaining. And yeah, that's really it, you guys. It's so easy. It's similar to empanadas. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but you know, we are the original. Like Haitian, we make the originals and everybody copies us and whatever, but our stuff is better and always better. So yes, anyways, we make a piece and next thing you know, people got sofrito, but anyways, our shit's better. Like we're the original, okay? Coquito, but we got cremas and it's bomb.com, eggnog, whatever the hell that is. Ooh, I would never even put that in my mouth. But anyways, we have the best. Try pate, and you guys try this recipe and let me know how you like it. I promise you're gonna like it. You're gonna love it. I've never met anyone who doesn't like the fried one, honestly. People like the baked one, but the fried one is just awesome. But anyways, so fry your pate for like 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the size, until it looks this beautiful golden brown. Okay, and then it's ready. Make sure you poke that hole in it though, okay, so the inside could be cooked. But I want you to listen to that crunch, okay? I want you to listen to that crunch. All right, let me shut up. Alright, y'all. Alright, so listen, this pate is bomb.com. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, and as always, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.